my friend. Welcome to MR.PAINTER YouTube channel. Don't forget like my video and subscribe my channel. Today, we're going to color one of the funniest cartoon characters ever, a minion. Grab your crayons and let's add some color to this silly guy. Let's start with his big yellow body. Minions are like little bananas with goggles, right? I'm using a bright yellow here. Don't worry if you go out of the lines a little, just have fun. Drawing. What about you, my friend? Do you love drawing? Let's color his overalls. Minions always wear these cool blue denim suits. To draw? Let me know in the comments. for his goggles. And of course, white for the eyes and brown for the pupils. Look at that goofy face. He looks surprised. Wear black boots. Don't forget to color his little mouth too. Maybe a funny smile or a tongue sticking out. And there it is. Our silly little minion is ready to make trouble. What do you think? Did you use different colors? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MR.PAINTER. See you next time with more fun coloring. Bye-bye.